Good day, everybody. This is Nelka again, and we received a special request from our subscribers, and it's all about road lighting. After giving him all the links for road lighting from Dialux YouTube tutorial, this one and this one, he's still not satisfied. So we will run another calculation so he will understand more. He's complaining that it's too long and cannot understand the tutorial. And he wants a straightforward approach regarding his project. So right now I open my Dialux Evo and let's go and run the street lighting. So here we go. We open now our Dialux Evo file and we are now in the street lighting. If you can check it here, we can go back and forth with the building and in the street lighting. So let's go and check this. This is the plan view of the road or the street, and then you can also see that one in isometric. You can actually increase your view from here to here, so you have a better um, view. And then, of course, he said that he has 1,000 meters road and I think it's only a straight one. And he said that the spacing of the pole is 10 meters. He did not mention the height of the pole, but I think that is the problem that he wants to know. What is the height of the pole and what is the wattage that he needs to run a calculation to achieve all the lux levels for this road lighting using a 10-meter spacing pole. And he said that the width of the road is 10 meters. So let's go and edit this one. So click the road, go to this tab, and then yeah, you can just say street one, and then the width of the road, let's change it into 10 meters. But actually 10 meters is actually one lane is only 3.5. So if he has 10 meters, then it means it has an emergency lane or a space between the solid line and the gutter. So I think either it's a emergency lane or what we can say that is the laybys. So now for that, this two lane is enough. We have 7 meters, and then we will just add 1.5 and 1.5 to both sides so we can achieve the 10 meters width that he mentioned. So for me, I can add like emergency, sorry, let's make it laybys. Make it 2, and then put the other one downward. Click the arrow, so it will be like this. And if you want to see this one in your 3D, you can do that. And if you want to add the sidewalk, you can also do that. Let's say let's add a sidewalk. It is not part of his requirement, but I will add the sidewalk. And if we did not achieve the sidewalk requirements lighting, then it's fine because we're going to concentrate only for the road lighting. And then he said, so let's go and check the laybys. So we'll change this one into 1.5 meters only. Height will be the same. The other one also, let's make it 1.5. So now we have the total width of 10 meters road. So if you want to check that one, let's go and measure it. From here to here, now it's 10 meters. That's correct. And then we have 2 lanes, it seems. So he said that he needs, let's go for the sidewalk first. Then the sidewalk, let's keep it 2 meters and 0.1. And also the other one. Yeah, okay. And so it's better you to have grass strip on the side. So our view will much nicer. So let's add another grass strip. I want both sides again. And then put it down, 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 so it will go to the other side of the road. So now we have 2 grass strips. And okay, this is nice. All right. So he said that he has 10 meter spacing of the pole, but he doesn't know what is the wattage and what would be the height of the pole. So let's go and select the luminaire. Okay, so let's go and select our fitting at the Thorn Lighting website. And let's go to the outdoor and go to this road lighting tab. And we will select some fittings. Let's try first, because he did not mention if it's LED or metal halide or sodium. So I will just use the metal halide first, and then later we will go for LED. So let's go and select for the meantime. Use this. Let's use this filter, and let's say we will get. Let's go for HIT first, and then let's say we will get 140 watt, and let's say we use this one, Diana. This is a little decorative, but I like this one. So let's go and check the side entry. Click the dialux letter or word, and then it will go directly to the download, and click the download link, and then say you're going to use it. So I think this one, I'm using the Google Chrome, that's why it's different. But if you go if you are using Internet Explorer, it will be different. It will say used or download. So it will go here now. See the Diana fitting, or the Diana street lighting is now here. And then we will just drag and drop the Diana luminaire. And then the Diana luminaire is now here. The 3D is not good. I'm expecting a nice 3D, but it's not. Anyways, it's fine. So the parameters for this street lighting is now here. Okay, let's go and say the either we can do both sides or the other side, all alternate, but because he did not mention it, we will just use one side, and it will be we will uncheck the optimize because it says 15 meters, and we will make it 10 meters, and then the boom angle will make it 5 degrees. We'll make it 5 degrees. And then the overhang will be 0.5. You can see as soon as I change the parameters here in this side, you can see in the 3D file that it's changing. And then the pole rotation will be just the same. And then luminaires per pole, make it 1 only. And then pole distance from the roadway, make it 1.5, so it will be on the pathwalk. Okay, 1.5 is not enough, so make it 2.5 meters. Okay, now it's 2.5, but it's not good that it's in the middle of the pathwalk. So let's make it 2 meters. Okay, I think this is fine. The offset from the pathwalk is 0.5, and then it's 2 meters away from the main line of the road. Now we have 10 meters spacing of the pole, and then the height would be, what would be the height? Okay, so this is the height. So it's 8 meters. And let's check if it's okay. So let's run the calculation. We did not achieve the EM, so we will uncheck the sidewalk because it's not part of our calculation actually. So grass strip, we don't need to do that, to check that one also, to see that one also. So it seems that we achieve all the lux value using the 8-meter high pole and 140 watt metal halide luminaire, and using the 10-meter spacing of the pole. So you can see it here. Let's go and check in the documentation. And let's go and check the summary results for the roadway, and it's all checked. So we are so fine. Okay. Okay, so we calculated properly the 10-meter spacing of luminaire with the 8-meter height pole and 140 watt metal halide. Actually, in road lighting, what you need to consider is what would be the height of the pole, what is the wattage of the fitting, what is the lamp of the fitting, and then what is the maximum spacing and what is the maximum height that you can achieve the lux value of this road lighting. So most of the time, if you are speaking to the contractor or to the consultant, they are uh, talking differently because if you're talking to the contractor, they will ask you to please make the pole lower and the wattage much lower as long as you achieve the lux value. But of course, you have to lessen also the quantity of the pole because pole is very expensive compared to the luminaire sometimes. So, but if you are talking to the consultant, they will ask you to achieve the most efficient lux value and the most efficient luminaire and the best design ever, because they are not concerned of, sometimes they are not concerned of the price, but they are concerned of the performance and design of the project. So yeah, okay, so next part of this video is we will use the LED. Okay, we'll go now and select one LED fitting, and let's see how it will be look like. So let's reset the filter and go to the road lighting tab, and let's select the best LED. So more filters here. So if it's 140 watt lamp, and okay, if it's 140 watt lamp, I think we can have, say, 60 watt LED lamp. That's not good. Okay, let's reset that one, and then let's go and select the same fitting. I think we have this one, Diana LED also. So we have conventional Diana LED and LED Diana. So let's select and go for maybe 74 watts. And now the filter says this one. So we can select a narrow beam, and this is a wet. Okay, again, please ask the manufacturer or lighting supplier what the codes means. But okay, let's go and select this for the meantime. Let's go and select this one. What is the meaning of this? So high quality LED with narrow road lighting distribution. Okay, I think this is the best because our road is narrow. It's 2 lane only, so I think this is the best. So once selected, go and click this Dialux, and it will go to your download option, and then click that one, and then it will goes to your, now it's here now in your Dialux file. So we will just copy this road. This is the good thing about Dialux Evo because you can compare different fittings. If you want, we can also go for sodium lamp later if you still prefer to see what is the effect of the sodium lamp. So let's go and duplicate road. Okay, we can create a new road. We can duplicate this road, or we can duplicate the road with the luminaire arrangement. So I think I need to just duplicate the road with luminaire arrangement because we will still be using the 10-meter spacing. So now it goes here automatically, and now we will change the fitting into the Diana LED. So let's place luminaire in this arrangement with the LED fitting, and then apply. Okay, now I think this is changed. So if we go and run the calculation results and see how it will be look like, and see the result, and yes, it's also good. The candela, everything is nice. I think his spacing is really easy to get the lux value. But sometimes if you do the road lighting calculation, if you really want to compete with other manufacturer, because I told you the first objective is to lessen the quantity of the pole and the luminaire. So it means you need to increase the spacing of the pole. This one, he said 10 meters, so we cannot do anything about it. We can just play on the wattage and the height of the pole. So, but based on his requirements, I think we can easily achieve the lux value because he specifically mentioned the spacing of the pole. So let's go and try if we can make this height of the pole as 6 meters. If we can still get the lux value. Let's say we will run it and check. And still yes. Yeah, This is fine. So it means same parameters. I just lowered the the pole height into 6 meters because before it's 8 meters, but still we get the lux value. Okay. And what if I change the wattage of the luminaire? So let's go and select other luminaire, the same Diana, but we will see, for example, 54 watts, and we still go for the narrow beam. Click this one and then say used. So let's replace this one into the lower wattage of Diana LED and then apply. And then let's run the calculation here. And still it's okay. So I think for you, my subscriber, you can use even a 54 watt LED luminaire, but of course it's our product, but I don't know if it's the same light output or lumen output from other manufacturer. So yeah, but if again for the conventional, if you want to reduce also the lux value, I mean the wattage, then maybe we can also again play with that one. So let's go and select lower wattage of the conventional metal halide. So let's go and reset this one and select the HIT, select the Diana, and then before we selected the 140 watt, what about if we use maybe 90 watts? So let's go and select this 90 watts and then click this one, and then let's replace this one with the new 90 watt metal halide. Okay, select this one and then apply, and then let's make the same height, which is 6 meters, and then let's run the calculation. It seems that there's a red. Okay, so we did run the calculation now, and let's see. Okay, so now we found one red here, and it's the overall uniformity. Oh, this is the most challenging part. This is only 0.35 and the requirements is 0.40. What if we change the boom angle into 10 degrees? Let's see. Now it's fine. See, by using lower wattage, which is 90 watt, and lower height of the pole, which is only 6 meters, with of course the requirements, which is 10 meter spacing of the pole, we still achieve the lux value here, both in LED and conventional metal halide. So yeah, I think you have now the solutions. You can use this one, or you can look for the right fittings in your design. So that's it. I hope you learned something from this tutorial. Goodbye.